ever saw him. You would even say it close. All of the other reindeers laughed at him and called him names. They wouldn't let poor Rudy join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas night, Santa came to say, "Oh Rudy,
Rudolph, with your nose so bright,
won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" Then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, "Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you go down in history. You go down in history. You go down in history."
Hej Island! Vi elsker Island!
Yes.
Og glædelig jul i Island også! Woo!